throwing away your potato peel and overripe banana. This high combination is the secret to extreme hair growth and glassy shining that can make right in your kitchen. Today, my people, I'm sharing my ultimate superfood hair mask. This is packed with every powerful oils and natural vitamins that transform. You can use it to transform your hair from dry to breathless and soft to length. So this hair mask is the game changer, my people. Stay tuned and we start it together now. As you guys can see, my queens, I'm already washed my potato, but do not throw your potato peel away. The only thing while you are cutting, you have to be careful. If you notice that there are some part that is not good, you have to cut that part away. Okay, as you guys can see, there's this side is not good, so I have to cut that side away. Other than that, you can just cut everything. Do not peel your potato, but make sure to wash it very thoroughly also. Okay, yes. Now, my queens, now we finish everything. I'm going to put water inside and place it into a fire. So while I put the water inside, let's check and see the benefit of potato. Potato is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6 and iron that help to stimulate hair follicles and cleanse the scalp. It's very good. While I put it inside, my people, I'm going to leave it to the fire maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So always make sure to be checking it and make sure that the thing is well cooked. So my queens, now I'm going to strain the water. I need the potato water. I'm going to use it for the hairspray. Please come back and watch that video. I have a potato living in spray in this channel, so please visit my channel and watch that video. That one I'm showing to you people, so you have to watch it. Okay, you people should watch it. So now after I strained my potato juice, the next thing now I'm going to do, I'm going to pour it into my blender. So my queens, right now I'm adding my overripe banana into my potato. So when you have banana like this, do not throw away. You have some use for it. You can use to make hair mask, or you can use to make it face mask or body scrub. Okay, it's very good, so don't throw away. And my queens, let's talk about banana. Banana is high in potassium and zinc and vitamin B6. It's perfect for softening hair, and also it's improving elasticity to your hair, and it's preventing your hair from breaking while you are using banana. So banana is very good, and also it will make your hair, especially those who have a stubborn hair, it will make your hair to be easier for you to manage it. So after you blend it, you can see how smooth it is, but I will not leave it like that because it's smooth. I will definitely going to strain it again, because if you get a smooth paste like this and you do not strain it again, the particles can be stay on your hair. You don't like it that way. Me myself, I hate that way. It's wasting water. So it's good for you to strain it before apply it to your hair. Let's just strain it together. My queens, after straining, I'm taking this amount. I'm going to use it for my face mask. Please visit my channel. The name is Princess Hair Care. You can see the beautiful things, how to glow your skin. Also, we have some beautiful videos, natural things that you can use to glow your skin. So please visit my channel to watch that video. Now let's come back to the work. Now our next ingredient, after blending it and straining, the next thing that I'm going to add right now is olive oil. My queens, let's check and see olive oil benefit. Olive oil is also having vitamin E and K. It's deep moisturizing and adding a protective barriers to the hair shaft. It's also helpful, it's making your hair to get more strong. If you have a weak hair, olive oil is very, very good. But if you have a low porosity hair, olive oil, do not use it to stay. Only use it maybe hot oils after you can go and wash it. Our next ingredient is honey, my people. Honey, it's also having natural humectants that lock in moisture. It is packed with antioxidant for scalp healthy. So it's very, very good while you are using or you are adding honey. It's also helping to make your hair very soft. It's making your hair for you to get manageability, to be easier for you to manage your hair. So now our next ingredient that I'm adding is my peppermint essential oil. My queens, let's talk about peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is also stimulating blood flows to the scalp and encouraging faster hair growth. So peppermint essential oil is very, very good because it will encourage your hair for faster hair growing. Now, after the peppermint essential oil, our next oil that I'm adding is vitamin E oil. My queens, let's talk about vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is the powerful antioxidant that replaces damaging hair follicles and also doing what? Preventing stress causing from your hair. So vitamin E oil is very, very good, especially if your hair is always breaking or you have some problem with your edges. Vitamin E oil is very powerful that I will advise you to start using it. If you are not using it, start incorporating it into your routine. It's very, very powerful. My queens, now I'm going to add my carrot infusing oil. Okay, carrot infusing oil. Carrot infusing oil is also loaded with vitamin A and beta carotene. It's also protecting hair from UV damaging, okay, and also improving hair texture. So please, my people, if you are going to say all the ingredients you don't have, what you have, try to use that one. I'm just adding all because I need extra benefit from those ingredients. So if you have only aloe vera, olive oil, or vitamin E oil, but try to add honey inside. Okay, just prepare your hair mask and get honey, maybe one oil plus your vitamin E oil or capsule you put inside. You are going to get the same benefit. Okay, you can use it that way. Do not worry about all those oils and the things. So you can see how, my queens, before you apply this hair mask, always try to have your scalp is very clear. And if your scalp is, you wash it and it's dry, always hydrate your hair before you apply. Try to start from the edges part, the oldest part, that's your hair ends, okay, and go down to the scalp. Also, you can use it, no problem. Sit for 30 to 40 minutes and go and wash it, and thank me later because you are going to love what you are using. This thing is a game changer. It's very, very good. So these are the ingredients that I use and make. And as I'm saying, I'm reminding you people, do not worry about all those things. You can just use potato and banana plus honey and vitamin E. Those two is enough. I put all because I have everything. Please do not forget, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please kindly do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Until our next video, bye.